Want to save YouTube videos for offline viewing within the app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use YouTube's premium offline viewing feature. Now let's get started. To save videos for offline viewing on YouTube, open the YouTube app and find a video you'd like to save to watch offline later. Open the video, then tap the download button below the video player window. The video will then be downloaded within your YouTube app and available to watch offline once the download is complete. To view your downloaded content, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then select Downloads. That's all it takes to save YouTube videos to watch offline. To learn about other awesome YouTube features, check out our full playlist of YouTube tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.